nutrition is water. You want to make sure that you drink before the ride, be hydrated at the start, and be well fed. So, do you guys eat breakfast before you ride? Yeah.
Eat or drink.
Yep. Okay.
Last week, too much breakfast. We did that hill and Harmony.
So the kinds of breakfast that you eat are important too. So you want protein. I eat Greek yogurt every morning, and it actually has a lot of protein in it. Eggs, bacon, anything with a little bit of carbs and protein is good. And you want to eat at least an hour before you ride if you can, to give yourself time to digest. You can start out slowly and digest as you start. So water, 2 water bottles is important. And so you probably want to, you have more behind you now. You want to be drinking, it depends on the weather, right? But you want to be drinking a lot as you ride. So for me, everyone has a different amount that they'll drink, but for me, in a hot day like today, I might even drink as much as a bottle in 20 to 25 kilometers. So it's like actually quite a lot, right? So if you ride 75K, you drink 3 bottles. On a cold day, you may only drink 1 bottle in a whole 80-kilometer ride. You do need to keep drinking on cold days, so it's important to keep thinking about it, but you aren't sweating as much. On a day like today, electrolytes is important as well. Looks like you have them in your bottles. Do you use electrolytes? No. So when you get distance up and hot days, you should try that. There's lots of good products out there, and everybody has a different preference. Some people swear by one thing and other people another. Some of them have artificial sweeteners and flavors that give people gut rot, but if something doesn't work for you, just try something else. So the other thing is combining food, right? So if I were to eat just food on a ride and not drink enough, I'd get a really sore stomach. And you have to have the right combination of everything to be able to digest. So you'll start to learn how much to eat and how much to drink. And so with respect to eating, you'll want to take things with you. So this is like the easiest thing. So you see lots of people eating blocks and bars because you can just go to the store and pick them up. There's also amazing recipes that you can make your own stuff with rice bases and nuts and honeys and dates. And there are cookbooks for making portables for riding.
I have a question about the water. Like if I have a Gatorade and a water, do you kind of do one and the other, or do you do one and then the other? Or?
Yeah, I think it really is personal preference. For me, I also have 1 bottle of mix today and 1 plain water bottle because for this distance, that's what I need. And I'll drink my electrolytes and my calories first.
Oh, okay.
So I just try to load up on energy first so that by the time I need it at the end of the ride, I've got it in my system.
Better than Gatorade is, trying to remember the name, I'll come up with it later, but Gatorade only has 2 of the 3 electrolytes that you need. Sodium, magnesium, and potassium are the 3 essential ones, and you sweat them out in a certain ratio. And some of these products that are catered to cycling will put them back in the exact same ratio. Gatorade doesn't do that.
Eload?
Yeah, Eload, and the other one I'll come up with.
We got Hammer, this one.
Hammer, I think Hammer is good, yeah, but Gatorade is bad generally. Gatorade is meant for the power athletes that just kind of need those electrolytes for the 30 seconds of glory. But for endurance athletes, it's not good. It's not good enough. So if you do longer rides, especially, you'll want to make sure that you get a cycling-specific electrolyte.
We will always stop, if it's a really hot day, we will always stop mid-ride and get more liquids. So you can always count on that, and at those stops usually there isn't an option for mix, so a lot of people will carry a baggie in their back with more powder so that you can buy water and then fill it up. And worst case scenario, we do buy Gatorade at those stops if we really need some energy in liquid form. It's not the ideal.